Thank you for purchasing the Tesla logo decal from evwraps.com. Regardless of which Tesla logo decal you have purchased, the installation process is the same for all of them. The video will guide you step by step in order to install the decal as easy and as precise as possible. Inside the package, you will find the following: the Tesla logo decal, which is taped onto a transfer tape for ease of installation, a microfiber cloth, and an alcohol swab. Now let's head over to the car. Step 1. Clean the surface of the logo with the provided alcohol swab. Give it a good rub to remove all debris from the surface. Next, use the microfiber cloth to wipe the surface dry. Step 2. Remove the backing paper from the Tesla logo decal by peeling off the transfer tape. The actual Tesla logo decal should still be sticking onto the transfer tape. The decal is designed to cover the entire surface of the Tesla logo. Because the Tesla emblem have rounded corners, it is normal to still see a tiny bit of chrome on the edges. The bottom piece of the decal is the only part that requires precision. The hat of the Tesla emblem will align perfectly when the bottom is properly installed. Step 3. Carefully align the decal to the Tesla logo by aligning at the V highlighted as shown. What you want to look for is for an equal sliver of chrome shown on both the left side and the right side of the V. Because the video is captured at an angle, that's why the video is displaying more chrome on one side than the other. Step 4. After you have aligned the V, pay close attention to the stem of the emblem. Make sure to adjust so that there is an equal sliver of chrome on both sides. Step 5. Once you have aligned both the V and the stem, give a firm press on both the left and the right side of the transfer tape to secure movement of the decal. Use your finger to press the decal firmly onto the Tesla logo. Make sure to cover all the areas of the logo, including the hat. Step 6. Carefully and slowly peel off the transfer tape starting at the top left corner. If the decal is still stuck to the transfer tape, place it back to original position and give extra firm pressure on the top left corner of the decal, including the hat of the logo. Step 7. Once the transfer tape has been peeled off, give one last firm pressure on the decal with your finger. Make sure to also give firm pressure on all corners of the decal. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Tesla logo decal. This process can be applied to all Tesla logos, big and small. Thank you for purchasing from evwraps. For additional products and tutorials, please visit us at evwraps.com.